Hey, yo, Nina. Nina. Hey, Nina. Nina, where you at, girl? Nina. Whew, shit, I need that. Nina. Shut the fuck up. Nina. Girl, don't you hear me calling you? Open the door. Nina, open the door. Don't you hear me trying to get in? Nina, quit playing. Open this door. Bitch, what the fuck you doing just sitting here? Why you not recording anything?
I recorded my verse already.
Well, let me hear something.
Tired of your words, stressing off your hurt. Show me what you worth, baby.
What the fuck was that shit?
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know?
I'm just not feeling it. The beats. What happened to us going to the studio?
Studio? What's wrong with the beats? Nina, I just gave you 3 tracks. I mean, we got a studio right here.
I know, and I appreciate it. I just need something more.
More? More what? More talent? Because that's what you need. See, that's your problem, Nina. You don't appreciate nothing. You quick to blame everything else, but you don't look at you. Tell me this. Who got you to this point, huh? Exactly. If it wasn't for me, you'd still be in the club stripping.
Waitressing.
What's the fucking difference? But now you forgot about everything. I mean, the beast was good before. Maybe it's you. Maybe you just ain't got it. Those eyes are only gonna take you so far in this game.
But you don't even listen to the song.
I don't need to listen to the songs, Nina. As a matter of fact, speaking of songs, what's this I hear you trying to do a track with Diamond?
What? His team hit me. They say they like my voice and want me on the song. That's it.
Fuck about all that. Look, I told them niggas no.
What?
What, you getting paid from it? I mean, hell, am I getting paid from this shit? I mean, I'm confused. How you gonna agree to do a song with them without coming through me? What, you forgot who your manager was?
But Diamond's on. That record could lead to bigger opportunities for me. For both of us, baby.
Opportunity? For us. With somebody else's name on it producing it. No money. Where's the fucking opportunity, Nina? Damn, I don't get it. I've been doing this shit with you for too long.
I just thought it'd be a good idea.
How could you think it was a good idea when I'm not involved?
I don't know. The record was just kind of hot.
You gotta be hot to know what hot is, Nina. Neither one of y'all is hot. Hell, that nigga don't even know what real music is. Look, come here. Look. Calm down. Look, you know what you need to do? Is let me show you what you're really good at.
No. Don't grab me like that. I said no.
What you mean, no? Get your ass on this couch.
You know I don't like it when you grab me like that. You know I don't like it when you rap. You know what happened to me? Jacob. Jacob. I don't want you to manage me anymore.
What?
I don't want you to be my manager.
The fuck you talking about, Nina? You think you can do better without me? Bitch, you whack. I write all your shit. You really think you can do this without me? Ain't just about a bitch.
No! I mean, I don't know. I want to have control over my music. Freedom of expression. creative. Me. I just don't know why I can't be matched by someone else.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
What's up?
Look, I don't mean to interrupt. My name is Blessed, and I heard you singing, and man, you have a beautiful voice. What's your name?
Nina. Nina Sky.
Okay, Nina. So, I mean, you write, record? Okay. Listen, I'm a music producer. I live in a neighborhood, and I work with a lot of artists from around the area. But I think you're mad dope.
Thank you.
Look, I'd love for you to come down to the studio. I got some beats, we can run through them, see what you like, you can see what I got, and matter of fact, I'm gonna be there tonight. You should come through.
All right. I'll check you out.
All right, cool. Hope to see you tonight.
What the fuck you doing out here? Get your ass in this house.
I'm going to a studio tonight.
Well, you better make sure you just don't stay out too late.
Keep it going. Them clothes on your body falling. I let my lips do all the walking. You got me crazy, baby. Body pulsating. Take you to them places where we can get naked. Oh, that's how it's gonna go. Sitting here reminiscing. Yeah, of last night's exhibition. It's all about you, how you treating me so naughty. I got lost up in your body, glad I found you. Sitting here reminiscing, thinking about you. Of last night's exhibition. Oh yeah, you love me, you touch me, showing me you want it. Yeah, it's the first thing in the morning, now it's round two. Come here, relax.
Dope. So how you feeling?
Like a bird? Like a bird in the sky. Singing. Living.
So do I got the job?
Yeah, you got it.
Man, I mean, if you keep working like this, I see you going straight to the top. You're talented. You work like an animal. And you're beautiful. Very beautiful.
I gotta go.
I can show you things that I'm real sure you'd wanna do.
Did you like that?
Yeah, I like that. Cause I'm gonna take you to the top. I'm gonna do some big things with you. Shit. I'll take you right over there to that couch. Fuck the shit out of you.
Who is she?
My new artist.
That's what you do with all your artists?
Nah, just the good ones. What?
You fucking bastard! Where the fuck is the contract?
This is what you want? Stupid bitch. For the next 20 years, I own you. Go ahead. Leave. Call whoever you want. At the end of the day, you still signed to me. I guess you don't read. But not only do I get 90% of whatever you earn, but I own your publishing. So see? You're nothing without me. Now get the fuck out of my face.
You fucking asshole! I would have never said anything to you! I trusted you!
Yeah, just like I trusted you, right? Bitch. Need to get your ass over here.
Now you listen to me. This is what you gonna do. Give me the contract. Give me the fucking contract now!
So what you gonna do? Shoot me?
Rip it. Rip it! Now!
Nina! Nina! I'll find you!
Late nights, early mornings. That's how we gon' keep it going. Them clothes on your body falling. I let my lips do all the walking. You got me crazy, baby. Body pulsating. Take you to them places where we can get naked. Oh, that's how it's gonna go. Sitting here reminiscing, yeah, of last night's exhibition. It's all about you, how you treating me so naughty. I got lost